Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve an interesting system of equations. So for my first equation, I have x minus y is equal to 2. And for my second equation, I have x times y is equal to 2. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what I'm first going to do is reorder equation 1. So I have x minus y equals 2 for equation 1. And what I'm going to do is add y on both sides. So I get x is equal to y plus 2. Now for equation 2, I have x times y equals 2. And what I'm going to do is plug in my value of x into this equation. So I get y plus 2 times y is equal to 2. And if I distribute my y, I get y times y, which is y squared, and 2 times y, which is 2y. So I have y squared plus 2y is equal to 2. Now if I subtract 2 on both sides, I get a quadratic equation, which is y squared plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here, to find the exact solution for this quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, in this case, a is 1, b is 2, and c is negative 2. So I get y equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 all over 2a. So 2 times 1. And this turns to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 8 over 2, which is equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 12 over 2. Now, the square root of 12 is the same thing as the square root of 4 times 3. And the square root of 4 times 3 is, I can rewrite that as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. Now, as you all probably know, the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So I get negative 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. And finally, all I need to do is simplify this by dividing both these terms by 2. So I get y equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3. So these are two solutions of y. So now what I'm going to do with these two solutions are, okay, let me write them down first. If y of 1 is equal to negative 1 plus the square root of 3, and I have y of 2 is equal to negative 1 minus the square root of 3. So from here, recall how, going back, we said that x is equal to y plus 2. So remember how in a system of equations, we need to find the values of both x and y for it to be a solution. We can't just find the value of y and say that's the solution. So we also need to find the value of x, and we know that x is equal to y plus 2. So we're going to use this value of x to solve for the value of x. So what I'm going to do is plug in this value of y, negative 1 plus the square root of 3. So I get x of 1 is equal to negative 1 plus the square root of 3 plus 2, because we have our plus 2 over here. So this means that x of 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 plus the square root of 3. So this is the value of x of 1. So my full solution is going to be x of 1 comma y of 1, which is 1 plus the square root of 3 comma negative 1 plus the square root of 3. So this is one solution to the system of equations. And right here we have another one. So I have y of 2 is equal to negative 1 minus the square root of 3. And we know that x equals y plus 2, meaning x of 2 is equal to negative 1 minus the square root of 3 plus 2. Now again, 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So I get x of 2 is equal to 1 minus the square root of 3. So this means that x of 2 comma y of 2, our second solution, is 1 minus the square root of 3 comma negative 1 minus the square root of 3. So these are my two solutions to this system of equations. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and also share this to any friends or family members. And if you haven't already, check out another one of my videos. Thank you.